What it do, y'all? I'm back with another video. Now, if y'all heard about that $100 bucket of ice cream that's shaped like fried chicken, we about to make it. Now watch this. I took a Reese's stick because y'all was not paying $100 for ice cream. I'm sorry. I don't care how much money I make, I'm not paying $100. So I took the Reese's stick, put it down onto that parchment paper, put some ice cream on top. Now I'm gonna try to form it like a drumstick. Now granted, it look like a turkey leg, but I mean, well, you know what I mean, but you know, I'm gonna roll it all up. I gotta move as fast as I can because as you can see, it is ice cream and it is melting. Breyers is one of the cheaper versions of ice cream, so it melts fast. Go ahead and pat that down, put it in the freezer for 4 hours, then I'm gonna work on the coating. So for me, I wanted white chocolate caramelized into caramel. If you didn't know, white chocolate turns to caramel. Put this in the oven for about 250 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes, then boom, it turns into a thick caramel paste. Now to get that caramel paste down, you can go ahead and get you a pan, put you some water at the bottom of that pan, then put your pot or whatever you melted that white chocolate in. You're gonna put that in that pan, put you some heavy whipping cream on there so you can loosen it up some. As you can see, it's turned into caramel. Ooh la la, that's that good caramel. That's homemade caramel. You don't know nothing about that. Your grandma used to make that back in the day. Now get that ice cream out the freezer. You're gonna put that into the cornflakes. Don't forget to put some sugar in your cornflakes. You don't necessarily have to, but it does taste better. We put a little cornflakes on there so the caramel gonna have something to stick on, because granted, this is ice cream and caramel. Once the ice cream hit that caramel gonna start to stiffen up. If you know what stiff is, then you know what stiff is. So it's gonna stiffen up. Then we're gonna do a double dip. We take it out that caramel, put it back into the cornflakes, roll it, pat all that cornflakes onto there. Oh yeah, now it's looking like some chicken, looking like a little extra crispy chicken. Roll it up in there again so we get that caramel to stick onto that cornflakes. Roll it back into the cornflakes again, pat it. We getting it patted real good, making sure every little part of that ice cream is covered up, because we want it to look like fried chicken. And I ain't never seen no fried chicken where the skin just, you know, peeling and showing the white meat. This that black folks chicken. Now we're gonna take it. You could put it back into the freezer and look like this, or you can go the extra mile and go ahead and fry it, so you can have actually fried chicken ice cream. If you know what fried ice cream is, then you know fried ice cream. Bam, we got our Popeyes container so we can show y'all that's that fried chicken ice cream. And see that bone right there, delectable. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you come back and see some more videos.